if A equal to cos 6 degrees into sin 24 degrees into cos 72, B equal to cos square 33 degrees minus cos square 57 degrees divided by sin 21 degrees into cos 21 degrees, C equal to sin 9 degrees into cos 9 degrees divided by sin 48 degrees into sin 12 degrees. Here A equal to cos 6 degrees into sin 24 degrees into cos 72 degrees, that equal to cos 6 degrees into sin 24 is cos 66 degrees into cos 72 degrees, that equal to cos 6 degrees into cos 60 degrees plus 6 degrees into cos 6 degrees minus 6 degrees, that is cos 54, dividing with cos 54 into cos 72 degrees. The numerator is of the form cos theta, cos 60 plus theta, cos 60 minus theta, that is 1 by 4 into cos 3 theta, 3 into 6, 18 degrees, into cos 72 degrees divided by cos 54 degrees, that equal to 1 by 4 into cos 18 degrees into cos 72 is sin 18 degrees divided by cos 54 is sin 36 degrees, that equal to 1 by 8 into 2 sin theta cos theta sin 2 theta, that is sin 2 into 18 36 degrees by sin 36 degrees, that equal to 1 by 8. B equal to cos square 33 degrees minus cos square 57 degrees divided by sin 21 degrees minus cos 21 degrees, that equal to cos square b minus cos square a, that is sin of a plus b, that is 90 degrees, into sin of a minus b 57 minus 33, that equal to 24 degrees divided by, this is cos 69 degrees minus cos 21 degrees, that equal to sin 90 is 1 into sin 24 degrees divided by cos c minus cos d minus 2 sin c plus d by 2, that is 45 degrees, into sin c minus d by 2, that is sin 24 degrees. Sin 24 cancel, that equal to minus 1 by 2 into 1 by root 2, that equal to minus 1 by root 2. Now C equal to sin 9 degrees into cos 9 degrees divided by sin 48 degrees into sin 12 degrees. The numerator and denominator multiplying with 2 sin 9 into cos 9, that is sin 18 degrees divided by 2 sin a sin b, that is cos of a minus b, that is 36 degrees, minus cos of a plus b, that is 60 degrees, that equal to sin 18 root 5 minus 1 by 4 divided by root 5 plus 1 by 4, that is cos 36 minus 1 by 2, that equal to root 5 minus 1 divided by root 5 plus 1 minus 2, that equal to root 5 minus 1 by root 5 minus 1, that equal to 1. So B is the least one, B is less than, A is less than C. The descending order is C, A, B. So fourth option is correct.